When you're assembling projects, measuring for offsets and spacing can be tedious, and it can introduce opportunities for measuring errors. You can avoid this by using spacers made from scrap wood. Hardboard works great as a spacer for 1/4 inch offsets, which are really common. 3/4 inch offsets are used in projects a lot too, so you can make those spacers from 1x boards or 3/4 inch plywood and MDF. Spacers are also great when you want to maintain consistent spacing between things like slats. By orienting the spacers in different ways, you can create different spacing. Spacers also help you hold the pieces in position as you attach them, which makes assembly even easier and helps make sure you get the results you want without having to do more measuring.